Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Get to your cabin air filter, open the glove box. There's this little shelf in here. It's got two clips on this side and a clip over here. Kind of pry it up, pop it out. Go straight up with it, don't pull it out. This gives you access to the door covering the cabin air filter. There's arrows that says slide up to remove. And then it's going to come out this way. Behind this cover is the cabin air filter, so there's two tabs. Push them in. Pry the cover out. Cabin air filter's in here. It will just slide out. This one's pretty dirty. Here's our original cabin air filter. It's pretty dirty. Here's our new one from 1aauto.com. It looks a little bit gray because it does have active charcoal in it. Helps with smells. It's the same size, shape. This will fit great and work great in your vehicle. I'm going to put it in this direction. Just slide it right in. Cover back over it. There's an arrow pointing up. Push it right in. Place this cover. Kind of slides over, and then the tabs go behind. Snap it back in place, and then put the little shelf back in place. Close the glove box. They're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.